Welcome back to Auto Insight, your daily stop for the latest car reveals, deep dives, and real-world driving vibes. If you love seeing cars the way a driver actually experiences them, you're in the right place. Today, we're stepping into the all-new next-generation 2026 Toyota RAV4 Woodland, officially unveiled, and this time we're exploring it from a true POV perspective, from the driver's seat to the wild trails it's built to conquer. As you open the door and settle into the driver's seat, the first thing you notice is how much tougher and more purposeful the new RAV4 Woodland feels compared to the outgoing model. Toyota has clearly leaned into the adventure-focused personality. The seating position is slightly higher, giving you a commanding view of the road ahead, while the hood design looks more muscular and squared off from this angle, hinting at its off-road ready attitude. The interior has been completely refreshed, and from a POV view, it feels modern, rugged, and surprisingly premium. Right in front of you is a fully digital instrument cluster with crisp graphics, customizable layouts, and off-road specific displays. You can switch between classic driving info, trail data, incline angles, and even all-wheel drive power distribution. Everything is clear, easy to read, and designed to keep your eyes forward while still feeding you useful information. Your hands naturally fall onto the new steering wheel, which has a thicker grip and a more rugged texture, perfect for long drives and rough terrain. The buttons feel solid and well-spaced, letting you control drive modes, audio, and driver assistance features without distraction. Just behind it, the paddle shifters add a sporty touch, even though this Woodland edition is all about controlled power rather than outright speed. Looking toward the center of the dashboard, the new larger touchscreen instantly grabs attention. It's positioned higher for better visibility, and from the driver's POV, it feels intuitive and responsive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the updated Toyota interface is smoother, faster, and easier to navigate. Physical knobs for volume and climate control are still here, which is a big win when you're wearing gloves or bouncing along a trail. The materials inside the 2026 RAV4 Woodland reflect its adventurous mission. Soft touch surfaces blend with rugged trim, subtle bronze or dark metallic accents, and Woodland-exclusive interior details. The seats are wrapped in durable, water-resistant upholstery with contrast stitching, designed to handle mud, dust, and long outdoor trips. From the driver's seat, you feel comfortably locked in, with excellent lumbar support and enough cushioning for all-day drives. Start the engine, and the new RAV4 Woodland comes to life quietly but confidently. Toyota is offering an updated hybrid powertrain that balances efficiency with capability. From this POV, acceleration feels smooth and controlled, perfect for city driving and highway cruising, while still delivering strong low-end torque for off-road situations. The all-wheel drive system works seamlessly in the background, constantly adjusting grip as conditions change. As you shift into drive and roll forward, the cabin feels well insulated, with reduced road noise compared to the previous generation. Visibility is excellent, thanks to slimmer pillars and a wide windshield. When you engage one of the Woodland drive modes, the vehicle subtly adjusts throttle response, steering weight, and traction settings, and you can feel the confidence it brings, even from behind the wheel. On rough terrain, the POV experience really shines. The suspension feels more composed, soaking up bumps without shaking the cabin. You can sense the extra ground clearance and off-road tuned setup working beneath you. The steering remains precise, giving you control without feeling twitchy, and the camera system helps you see obstacles that would otherwise be hidden from the driver's seat. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. From this driving position, you'll notice smart storage everywhere, from deep door pockets to a wide center console. The rear seats and cargo area are designed for gear, camping equipment, and everyday life, making the RAV4 Woodland as useful on Monday mornings as it is on weekend adventures. Overall, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Woodland, from a POV perspective, feels like a confident evolution of an already popular formula. It's tougher, smarter, more refined, and more adventurous than ever before. Toyota has successfully blended technology, comfort, and off-road capability into a package that feels natural and enjoyable from the driver's seat. This is the kind of SUV that invites you to explore more, drive further, and enjoy every moment behind the wheel. And if you want more first-person driving experiences, official reveals, and honest impressions like this one, make sure you stay tuned right here on Auto Insight.